Now, for example, we have a zip file here, and if I try to open it, you'll see it requires a password. So what we can do is to try and crack that password. So first we'll make sure some command line tools are installed to crack the zip file, which is John the Ripper, fcrackzip, and word lists. So install those in Kali Linux. Just takes a moment or so. And let me just enlarge the font a bit. So this is the command to install the programs on Linux that you will, on Kali Linux, that you will need. Once installed, these are command line programs. So we can run them from the terminal, from the command line. So the first step is to create a so-called hash using a program called zip2john. So desktop slash save it into hash.txt. So that file now contains the password hash. You'll see it's in there for the zip file. And the next step is to use John to crack it. So we could say John hash.txt, which could find the password. However, it will try mathematical combinations. So if I just press enter, you'll see it's trying, but it's trying mathematically. So, or actually it used a word list here. But let's provide our own word list. So we'll say dash dash word list is desktop rocku.txt and then hash.txt. And you'll see it found the password for the zip file. So now that we know the password, we can view the zip file. So the command use the word list rocku.txt to crack the hash, the password hash, and which it then shows in a different color in the file. So now we can read it, and you'll see we cracked the password of the zip, so we are able to read the contents now. So that's just one of the things you can crack. One of the things you can use password cracking for is to crack zip files. Of course, there's many more things you can that are password protected and that you can crack using different tools.